So, how do you change a headlight bulb on a Volkswagen Beetle? Look in here. It's very difficult to get to. You can see there's a cover right down here, but you actually have to remove the whole of the light unit. To do that, you see that there's actually a little bit here that you have to turn. It tells you which way to turn it, which is to the right. You would actually need a special tool to get on here, but what I just used is a pair of adjustable pliers and just adjusted them down. And they say you turn it to the right, you will hear a ping. Then there's another lever which is here, and it's just a question of pulling this down and then kind of going around and pulling this out towards you. So obviously it's very difficult for me to do with it on, so I put the camera down to show you if I can get it out. As you can see, I just pulled it towards me while pulling down this lever, and then all your bulbs, just lift this up and all your bulbs are under there. Just put back together, exactly the same, the opposite way around. Just slide it back in, but you will notice that there's some sort of kind of wiring loom down here, so you just need to push that in and just make sure that while you're pushing it in, this locks back in place so you're not damaging anything. But to do that, again, you've got to push down this little lever, and once you push that in, it'll all lock back in place. So it was as simple as that. Now the light's back in place, and it's just a question of just turning this again to the lock position, which is anti-clockwise, and it's job done. Hope this helps. Cheers.